Down here.
November 683 Delta Delta Greensboro Tower, you ready to go?
Ready to go, 3 Delta Delta.
November 3 Delta Delta, turn right heading 090, runway 5 right, clear for takeoff. Traffic is a Boeing 717, 5 mile final.
Alright, 5 right, clear for takeoff, right to 090, 3 Delta Delta.
Alright, and I don't do strobes.
Delta 36, departure party arrival,
if I think somebody could see them, I use them.
36, I'll pull this back just a little.
Just about like you normally when you're taxiing, we'll be right. I'll show you. If it chimes, you'll hear it. It'll go ding ding, and then you'll see one of them's too high.
Cap 3293, Greensboro Tower, runway 5 right, clear to land, wind 190 at 8.
Right, coming up nice and even.
For Cap 3293.
And once I get on the governor, I just shove it fast,
Cap 3293, caution wake turbulence following the Boeing.
Right, so the fuel flow, see the right one's trickling up a little. I'll pull it back just a little.
Cap 3293, affirmative. We'll have one more behind you. It's a Lancer.
About 90, 95, right?
It pulled off a little early.
Okay.
This one flies off good at 90.
Do a simulated no flap. It'll only extend or roll slowly.
All right, positive rate, gear up. Lights off.
Cap 3293. I have nobody on the left side if you can take 5 left.
And then right in here, I can go ahead and start shelling.
Cap 3293, roger, runway 5 left, clear to land.
25.
5 left, clear to land for Cap 3293.
And tower, Aero 8949, we'll hold short of 5 right in sequence, got traffic going short final side.
And then at 400 feet, I'll hit your heading, bud.
Alright, thank you.
November, no wait, sorry, who was that calling? Was that 400 trailer?
And really, you should go 2490 and then back up to 25, or just 2490 is fine. That will set our little fuel thing into the cruise climb configuration.
5 right.
There was 2490.
It's a Garmin thing, right?
Right.
As long as it hits 2490, then you can just kind of leave them, and then you get the prop sync on. This one works well.
November 5 is 62 Tango Charlie, Greensboro Tower, runway 5 right, clear to land, wind 22010.
Yeah, switch to
Clear to land 5 right, 562 Tango Charlie.
Vents were turned off because it was cold when we flew last time.
November 3 Delta Delta, contact departure, safe flight.
Over to depart traffic today, 3 Delta Delta.
Okay. 2 Greensboro, approach Greensboro, altimeter 3013.
Like do radio or something. No, you can do it all. I don't care.
Greensboro departure, Baron 3 Delta Delta, 2500, climbing 3090 on the heading.
And 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro departure, radar contact, climb maintain 7000.
7000, 3 Delta Delta.
Over traffic 209, let's say it's crossing runway 224, Beaufort.
I had my GoPro going, we could have went out over that way more and get more scenic.
Over traffic, 902 Mike, turning out towards the northwest.
And then turn off your flight director if you can't use it, right?
I was about to mess myself up there. I was looking at...
That's why I loaded it, so you don't look at the wrong runway. 4 and 22.
Oh. Alright, I'm going to get the gear out. We're gear speed. Out. It's your own. One notch flaps.
And it takes trim as we slow, right? Usually nose up trim. Eventually, when you get full flats, fully configured, it's just like the Bonanza, about 9 degrees up.
Okay.
When there's not a lot of weight in the back. If there is, it might not be. It might be 3. Who knows, right?
Get the prop sync off now?
Yeah, you can do that. And it doesn't, if you forgot, it's not going to hurt anything on this.
Beaufort traffic, 3 Delta Delta, 2 mile final, runway 8, Beaufort. Alright, we got 3 green, first notch of flaps. We need...
Ease it back to like 13. Maybe
500.
Just so we can get it. Well, we're slowing good now, so yeah. You're looking good. We're just looking for 122, same speed as the bow.
The engine back a little more.
When you do get flaps, it will take about 15 or 16 to hold it, just like the Bonanza. Or about, right? You know. All right, everything's done except for the yaw down.
I'll get that in just a second. Let me scooch back over on the center line.
All right, this is for the money. We're going to see who does better, Logan, Scott, or me.
I'm sure it's you.
Mine was not pretty either last time. I was like, whoa, back and forth. I said, and I told Dean was in the back, and he said, oh, that wasn't too bad. I said, it was bad up front. It might not have been bad back there. You should have been up front, you'd have been scared.
We're using the power out.
They don't even have a windsock down here, do they?
Engines are at idle.
All right. I'll get your
Flaps are
flaps
coming
up,
up.
and we'll coast down to 22.